Ake ngigadle kule genge yosopolitiki namhlanje, the likes of Patrice Mtsipe nabo Gayton Mackenzie and others. There's this notion that is being shoved down our throats ukuthi South African football needs a successful Kaizer Chiefs to be better. I totally disagree with that, because this is competitive football, not a history channel, yabo. So mina ngokwami ukubona whoever is doing well at the time uyalikhulisa ibhola la South Africa. So Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns, Stellenbosch, SuperSport United, Jomo Cosmo, whoever is doing well at the time, we are Kulisa Ebola South Africa. There are so many football clubs who've actually richly contributed to its success in South African football in terms of development, in terms of producing and sporting players who would go on to be successful emhlabeni and represent us kahle, nanokuthi futhi bekwazi ukuthi be contribute kubafana ukuthi iwin. You can go as far back as 1996. Team ya contribute kakhulu lapho iJomo Cosmos, Babu Jomo Sono, because he was the technical director. Bafana 1996. Yes, Clive Barker was the coach, but Jomo Sono was the technical director, and actually unama tactics ayeqhamuka naye coach abono Dr. Khumalo sewakhuluma ngelinye ilanga. But bangaka abadlali bakhe babekhona phana baningi, uyabona, the likes of Abo Mark Williams, who scored the 2 goals in the final, who gave him a chance to play elite football, was uJomo Sono, right? Team yokuqala edlalela ku PSL. The likes of Phil Masing wamlandele imayini, Abo Helman Mkhalele noSuzo Mdawu ngabalandele emalokishina ko Newcastle, Abo McFish wamlanda eBoxburg lapha emabhunwini, yabo. Baningi abadlali all Linda Pteles Mercedes Benz imsebenzi kaJomo Sono leyo. So now do we need to live in the past and say because Jomo Cosmos no longer exists ebhola la South Africa alisebenzi selfile? Angi understand lento mina yabonto ukuthi basitshele ngeKaizer Chiefs ukuthi no, we need Chiefs to be better, we need Chiefs to improve so that South African football is okay. No guys, it's not about Kaizer Chiefs, it's about abantu abaningi. Even 2010 World Cup, who was the assistant coach? Pitso Msimani, products kaJomo Sono. Abo Macbeth Spire were there, the likes of Abo Katlego Mphela, yabo, were there. I'm a product akho Jomo Sono lawo. Now noma kuthiwa amproducer ngomdlalo uyakwazi ukuspot talent. Aaron Mkwena was the captain, products kaJomo Sono. You can look at a player even like Macbeth Spire, who was there, was part and parcel of the team, yabo. Jomo Sono has done a lot for South African football, but it doesn't mean without Jomo Sono South African football if we had a team like the Cape Town teams, Ajax Cape Town, Seven Stars, Cape Town Spurs, but produce abadlali bahamba bawona ama-UEFA Champions League, abo Benny McCarthy, you know, abo Steven Pienaar abadlala kwi-Premier League, badlala kubafana wearing jersey number 10, doing amazing things for the national team. Right now we have a SuperSport United which has actually produced ama players abanye abanikeza ithuba, yabo, abo Talent Mbatha, Sipho Mbule, Obrimo Diba emthathela phara kulento leyelo kuze nekiyo neNedbank, abo Ronan Williams emthathe semncane amproduce amdevelop. SuperSport United has done a lot, much more than most so-called big teams in the PSL in terms of ukusinikeza abadlali abazodlala PSL, yabo. If the vehicle that we need at that point in time ukuze suke from point A to point B ukuze be successful, yes, other players go to Chiefs and Pirates and Sundowns to elevate their game, but what about those teams produce our players? Right now unomthetheli Mthiane who's doing fantastic for Ilokuzana in Stellenbosch, ngoma team aseKaizer Nalele, abo Jaden Adams, abadlali abaningi mana bako Sundowns, abo Reyners, who was the top goal scorer, abo Reyners at some point. Basuko Stellenbosch. Right now Stellenbosch is producing about players, abo Ajax produce, abo SuperSport United. Even if umdlalo uqhamuka kwi-Pirates njengabo Relem Mofokeng, if ukuthi amaZulu are second on the log and they have to go and represent us we have Champions League, is success yabo ngaleso sikhathi leso under Benny McCarthy, you know. If it's Sundowns eyenza kahle, we have to select 7 players from Sundowns who will represent the AFCON. Is success ya Sundowns ngaleso sikhathi leso? If we Royal AM eyenza kahle, Royal AM, if Magesi wins a trophy, if TS Galaxy wins a trophy, inhlanhla yabo ngaleso sikhathi leso, and they are producing players for the national team, why does a player have to come from Kaizer Chiefs? They are being populists. They just know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs commands a huge fan base, bafuna ukuduma, bafuna ukunakwa, ayikho leyo nto leyo. Nobody has a birthright to be the most successful football club anywhere in the world. Chiefs must win their games, they must win competitions, they must win their tournaments. This notion that Kaizer Chiefs needs to improve for South African football to grow, ayikho lento leyo. We need Jomo. Jomo Sono has produced so many players for us, but now delivered Stellenbosch abadlali besibathola eSuperSport. Unfortunately, they no longer exist. We need to look elsewhere now. You know, maningi ama team leyo ukuthi we need one team ukuze ibhola libe ngcono njani ayikho lonto leyo. Ne Chiefs besinikeza umdlalo njengoshabalala ozokora the first ever goal South Africa kwi FIFA World Cup. It's fine. isikhathi sakhe lesoshabalala abo Rainelo Letsolonyana badlali baka Jomoson bezidlala ngabo ku2010 yabo ukuthi uJoma kasekho ayikhi sothini ngapha lolu Letsolonyana wafika noJomoson uPSL sekumele ke manje sikhale ke sithi hawu Nkosi yami ngoba iJoma Cosmos ayisekho inkinga leyo njani yes inkinga we accept because he's got an eye for talent usitholela abadlali abaningi yabo ade bedlala PSL but nawa kasekho nanga Stellenbosch isikhona siya producer neSomo Sport ayisekho yabo sokumele amanye ama team they must step up to the plate nasi sikhukhune naso siqale academy yabo le ndaba ukuthi Kaizer anichaze isho ukuthini ukuthi sidinga iKaizer Chiefs ukuze ibhola libe ngcono or bakhuluma in terms of ticket sales and other things like that because phela other teams are able to produce some players now as well. It's not just about one team. It doesn't make sense. They are just being populists. Bafuna ukuduma, bafuna ukunakwa, basho into obanakho issue abantu abaningi ipopular nani bese niyavuma lonto lo injalo. Issue ukuthina nichaze maybe I've got like listening problems because listening is a skill as well. So maybe angikhona ukulalela kahle. Makuthi khona umuntu mhlawumbe ozoyichaza kalula ngendlela engizoyizwa ngicela ukuthi angichazele ukuthi issue ukuthini lethu we need a successful Kaizer Chiefs ukuze ibhola libe ngcono. Issue ukuthini lonto leyo. We cannot talk about South African football development without Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho uMtsipe ngimthemba. Hayi bafethu niyakuthanda ukuba ama-populist. Ayikho lonto leyo. Sengitshela iqiniso kwami emakhala ngitshela emehlweni ayikho. Whoever is doing well at the time kumele sithathe ke abadlali bebafana and whoever is producing players at the time kumele simncome. Ajax siyayincoma ukuthi yasiproducela abadlali abanjengo Steven Pienaar, siyayincoma iLokhuzi Stellenbosch, siyayincoma iSuperSport, siyayincoma iJomo Cosmos, siyayincoma iSundowns, siyabancoma bonke abantu bafethu. Ayikho lento ukuthi sidinga i-team eyodwa, ayikho sengiyabatshela ke mina bayabheda kahle. Anyway, in case you're wondering, this is DX Smooth engikuda ngaye ekhanda. Once you achieve a perfect G-scope in 3 easy steps, you apply, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes and then you remove ukusebenzisa ithawula without isidingo somshini, without isidingo without isidingo se-razor. Usebenzisa lento leyo yodwa uzokunda ikhanda.